In this Wix tutorial, let's take a look at how to pin elements or freeze elements on mobile. So we need to get to the mobile editor. That's going to be up here in these two icons. You have one for desktop and one for mobile. So we switch to the mobile editing view of the site. And we have the mobile version of our site here, and we can make edits to mobile specifically. Now, let's say I wanted this menu icon here to follow you down the page, or anything else that I attach here. What I would need to do is click on it to make sure it's selected. And then I need to see my tools. So we're going to go to Tools and make sure Toolbar is checkmarked. Now this here is my toolbar, and it can move around. And so if we take a look over here a little closer to this guy, we select this piece right here, this mobile menu icon. And at the bottom of this toolbar, you actually see Freeze Position. So if we checkmark Freeze Position, then we'll go preview this site on mobile. And you can see as I scroll down, that mobile menu stays with us all the way down the page. So similar concept here to like the chat bubble down here. That chat stays attached to the bottom of the page there. So you can keep things attached here on mobile by using that toolbar. Now here on mobile, there's only certain things that you can pin, like for instance, the mobile menu, the quick action bar at the very bottom, or a back to top button, which you can turn on. And those options are in the mobile tools over here. So you can see you can add a back to top button. The quick action bar stays at the bottom. So if there are certain things that you want pinned to your site, you might need to add them in specific ways, like with the quick action bar. You know, maybe you can add a different link for something that actually takes you to the thing that you had pinned on your desktop version of your site. The other option too is when you pin something on the desktop version of your site, it won't show up, or it'll be hidden. And so you can look at what is hidden on mobile. For instance, this social bar is hidden on mobile because it's pinned on the desktop site currently. So we could show it, and then you can move it around or adjust it here on mobile and put it wherever. But if not, I could always just hide that element again, and that'll stay over here in the hidden on mobile section. So certain things you can pin, certain things you can't, but that's how you can freeze position of your menu and other items here on mobile.